Thanks for coming out tonight, guys. Appreciate it. Who's got the first question?
Start with the flyweight champion, Joshua Van, straight ahead. You know, the last time we saw you fight Alexander Pantoja, when it was, bad luck at the end when he broke his arm. A lot of people since then call it a fluke. They say you got lucky and everything. So what type of message are you hoping to show when you finally do get your rematch against Pantoja?
What's done is done, and I'm going to whoop his ass September 19th.
Do you feel any sort of animosity, not directly towards Pantoja, but kind of this narrative that you did get lucky, and if the fight he hadn't gotten hurt, he would have won?
Had that not happened, I would still whoop his ass that day. You know what I mean? So, September 19th, it's just another opportunity for me to whoop his ass again.
A question for Pantoja. What do you make of Josh's statement right there? I spoke to you a couple months ago. You said you had, quote, unfinished business with Josh, and you understand that as an athlete, he beat you, but as a man, you still have unfinished business with him. So what do you make of Josh as an opponent since then, and where he's at now?
You know, first, I think he need to wash his mouth. I respect where I'm from. I'm from Brazil. In Brazil, you need to take care about what you talk. If you're not, maybe you lose your teeth. And you already say, brother, I lose my belt, the champion of the world. But like a man, he not defeat me, And September 19, we have this opportunity, I want to fight with the best fighters of the world. I just want to say thank you to Dana White, UFC, to make my dream happen. I'm just a kid from Brazil. Now I'm a man. I bring my family to America. And I live my dream. I fight with the best fighters of the world. And I did that for me. I don't know when. I have almost 20 years professional fighter. I fight guys from all the world. Before I lose my belt, I have a sequence for 8 straight wins. I beat Manel K.
Yeah, bro, talk about the fight for September 19th, man. We're not here for your story, bro. We're here for the fight. Let's go.
Hey, kid, when someone talk, you shut the fuck up mouth.
Shut up. Shut up.
You understand?
Shut up.
You understand that?
Shut up. What you gonna do about it? You ain't doing shit. Sit your ass down. Sit your ass down. You ain't doing shit. Somebody get him some milk.
Hey kid, September 19, you're gonna lock in the octagon with me, brother.